Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable and set up a mobile hotspot on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In the settings, go to connections, and then over here choose mobile hotspot and tethering. And then over here we have mobile hotspot. We can tap on the slider on the right side in order to quickly activate the hotspot. However, keep in mind that in order to use the hotspot on Samsung, we need to have the Wi-Fi disabled. So we need to press OK in order to turn off Wi-Fi if you have it on, and then we can start sharing our mobile data with other devices. If you want to configure your hotspot, you can tap on the title of the option, and then over here we have such things like the network name, we have the password and the bandwidth, and so on and so forth. So here we can manage it. If you want to change something, simply tap on the option and then you can change it. You can also increase or decrease the band by going for compatibility or for performance. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.